If you have an array age and you want to select only adults, so instead of adding a new variable that starts from 0th index and goes till the last index, and then using the if statement to compare if the age at the current iteration is greater than 18, and then manually pushing it to the filtered age, and then console logging it to terminal to see the result, we can do this. Get rid of the for loop. Instead of assigning an empty array to the filtered variable, we'll use the dot filter method that applies to the age array, and inside of the filter we can give a callback, takes a parameter age which represents the current iteration in the loop and which returns the age or the condition we want to check. And then after we saved it, we can see the same result.